Greetings, this is Claude Woodward here, aka the Sonic Manipulator. I've invented a foodstuff, essentially a burger mix that I've been living off for maybe 30 years. It's completely vegan, it's gluten-free, and most of all it's got about 20 different ingredients, all there especially so that it gives your body absolutely everything it needs. So we're doing an online course which will teach you how to make this basic Vegar loaf and then turn it into all sorts of great dishes. Now look, we're passionate about trying to get everyone to eat well, especially in this current crisis. We want to build an online community so people can interact, people can share recipes, so you don't search the supermarket for plant-based foods that are always highly processed and expensive and full of preservatives. So take matters into your own hands, download the checklist and start collecting your ingredients today. I hope this is going to be a help to you in the coming month. Stay safe everyone.